This is a 2-carriage service. It's from Newcastle to Nunthorpe or something like that. And it's stopping at Hexham. I don't know whether there'll be a train coming after it or something. It's not the most exciting train. Because on the lines they've sometimes had crossovers. Oh, I think we're having a train. There could be another one coming through. We've just seen the signal go up. That wasn't like that before. Yeah, it's gone up. Could be a train coming through the other direction. Now we could have a double signal. Oh, Nunthorpe. We've had to change of driver. I don't see anything good happen.
Is it going back? Where's it going to?
Nunthorpe.
Yeah.
Dad, look at all that bird.
It's gone back, I thought it was still.
What's that? Bird poo? That's not bird poo. You know what that
Our
is?
train's been coming.
That's human poo and toilet paper.
Ew.
You know when you flush the toilet?
Crap. I paused the video. Hopefully this train's start moving anyway. Pause the video because some people are coming up. Got back on the train. Anyway, should be going quite quickly. Yeah, so we are. Ticket man. Just down there. See, this is my local railway. Not that good. I'll be getting on one of my trains and I'll also record that. So you don't. Anyway, hopefully when this train goes, come back, we should get another train coming down. I hope it's not my train. Them guys were just like, them guys came up here on the bridge down on this side. I don't know why they went to platform 1 instead of 2. Hey, ramp. Right, here's the train scan. Nunthorpe train. There we go. See a train.
Butterfly!
Mhm.
That's one train, that's quite another butterfly.
Not a very exciting train though, is it?
Wait for the peg to go down.
Why?
Dad, does it have to go to Newcastle to turn the next line?
No, just run where it is now, it turns over there.
No, but I mean like to go to Nunthorpe. The junction to Nunthorpe.